In a world that constantly seeks definition, some symbols transcend boundaries. Today, on the sun-drenched highways surrounding Pune, we embark on a journey with two titans of American design, the 2024 Harley-Davidson Breakout and the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon.
I was raised in a shotgun, daddy running from the law cause he shot one. Now you know where I came from, all roads, no maps like the back of my hand. So catch me if you can.
This isn't just about horsepower or torque, though there is plenty of both. This is about Americana, a canvas painted with freedom, the desire for the open road, and sometimes the sheer art of excess. Freedom. It's a word deeply woven in the fabric of the American identity. Now, for the Harley rider, that freedom is attained by that massive 1923cc Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. This is the pinnacle of factory-fitted torque. It makes a full 168 Nm of it as low as 3,500 RPM. Plus, with this massive 21-inch front wheel leading the charge, it's a raked-out statement of pure, unadulterated muscle. And that, plus the sensation of being one with the road, this is a proper declaration of independence. This Jeep Wrangler Rubicon though, this offers a different kind of freedom. It's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine that puts out 266 bhp of power, 400 Nm of torque. Now that, coupled with its Rock-Trac off-road system, it's a 4-wheel drive system which has a 4:1 low ratio gearbox conversion. It also has 3 locking differentials. All of that makes sure that whenever it's driving on or off-road, it's not just driving, it's properly owning the terrain it's on. And then there's the art of excess. Now, Americana at times is all about making bold statements, having that larger-than-life presence. And this Harley-Davidson Breakout, with its big stance, its unapologetic roar, is a masterclass in that. Now, the art of excess, it's a hallmark American engineering trait. And this Breakout, it embodies all of that. It's dripping in chrome from top to bottom. You have a large 21-inch wheel, that massive 240 section rear tire, and 19-liter fuel tank, all for that long journey where the distance and the destination is secondary. That sound from that exhaust, that's what it's all about. This Rubicon 2 is designed for a lot more than just going from point A to point B. It matches its boldness with a sheer breadth of ability. At its very core, it remains a beast that is waiting to explore the unknown. Be it the electronically disconnectable sway bar or this cornering Gorilla Glass windshield, all of it is designed to do more. It's built to dominate, to persevere, to withstand. The American strategy isn't just about military might or economic power, it's also about cultural diffusion and creating objects and experiences that resonate globally, defining aspirations and pushing boundaries. From the 310 kilo chrome-clad muscle that is the Breakout to the 2+ ton towing capacity and go-anywhere spirit of the Rubicon, they carry the legacy of freedom, the allure of Americana, the thrill of excess, and a strategy for adventure wherever the road may lead, even if it is on the vibrant, unexpected roads of Pune. From the roar of the Harley-Davidson Breakout echoing the call of the wild to the rugged determination of the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon ready to face any challenge, these two, they're more than just machines. They're vessels of the spirit that values the journey as much as the destination. Even on these vibrant roads of Pune, these two American legends have found their place, proving to us that freedom, it has no borders.